Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Cuet response sheet. This document is crucial for candidates to review their marked answers and compare them with the official answer key. It helps in calculating your probable score and identifying any discrepancies. Make sure you have your application number and password ready, as these will be essential for logging into the portal. We will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth download process. Once you are on the official Cuet website, look for the Candidate Login section. You will need to input your application number, which is a unique identifier, and your password. After successfully logging in, carefully navigate the dashboard. There will be a clear link, often labeled View Response Sheet or Download Response Sheet, that you need to click to proceed. This step is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Upon clicking the designated link, your individual response sheet will appear on the screen. Take a moment to verify that the details, such as your name and application number, are correct. The sheet will display your selected answers for each question. You will then find an option to download this document, usually as a PDF file. It is highly recommended to save a copy for future reference and score calculation. With your response sheet downloaded, the next step is to compare your marked answers against the official Cuet answer key, which is usually released separately. This comparison allows you to accurately calculate your estimated raw score. Pay close attention to each question and your corresponding response. If you find any significant discrepancies or errors in the official key, you may have the option to raise an objection within a specified time frame, typically a few days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.